Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I am going to show you how to get ChatGPT to roast your Instagram account using the Insta Guru GPT. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. First, you'd like to open ChatGPT app or go to chatgpt.com. So, from there, on this left panel, you can click on apps. Here you can click on GPTs and look for Insta Guru. If you don't want to do that, you can just type in the URL chat GPT and add Insta Guru. So Insta Guru here, and you'll be taken to the exact GPT. So basically the one that we're going to find here, we can click on it, click on start chat, and we'll be at the exact GPT. So you can just type it in the URL if you want to. Once you are there, of course, keep in mind that you don't need the Instagram GPT to roast your Instagram account. You can simply upload the screenshots of your Instagram profile to ChatGPT and ask it to roast it. If you want, of course, the extra Instagram specific feedback, you can use the Instagram GPT available on ChatGPT. So now you would like to go, as an example, once you open your chats with Instagram, go and open your Instagram as an example. So let me just go and open my Instagram here, and we'll have to log in into our account, and we would like to take a screenshot of my profile. So click on my profile, an example, open it up, and you can just go and take a screenshot of it. For me, I'm just going to take a screenshot like that, and I'm going to upload it to the Guru. So from here, as an example, once you upload it, you can use this plus icon example to upload your photo or add your photo. Once it's uploaded, you can type a prompt such as roast my Instagram account, or you can type give me a funny but honest roast on my Instagram account or profile. So you can just go and enter the or hit the enter button. As an example, they will tell me the rows that you want or something like that. Normally, ChatGPT will analyze your profile and generate a humorous roast based on your post caption, bio, and overall profile style. You can also ask it to suggest ways to improve the profile after it roasts you. For example, based on the image alone, I can only roast what I can actually see, not the full Instagram account. So here, they will roast you only based on your image. If you want more roasting, as example, more specific roasting, make sure to take a screenshot of all the posts that you have, your, as an example, description, whatever you have here. So take a screenshot as an example of it all, and you can upload this again and roast it as an example, type roast it again. And you can see all the roasts that you want. Of course, it will analyze it and they'll tell you, oh, all the rows that you want. As simple as that. So that will be it for me in this video. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.